Hello everyone, I'm Ellen from Are We There Yet, the channel for parents that want to explore the world with their kids. In this video, 10 tips for hiking with your kids. 1. Make walking a habit in your family. Avoid taking the car for short distances. 2nd, when leaving with the kids for a hike, talk about going outside for a while instead of going walking for X amount of kilometers. Some kids just don't like the idea of walking. 3. When planning a hike, count in 1 kilometer per year of age of your kids. That's 4 miles for a 6-year-old. And remember that a marked trail can be awesome because someone had planned out the hike before you did. Tip number 5. Take enough water and snacks with you. Take breaks every 1 or 2 hours. 6. Choose clothes that can get dirty and easy sporty shoes. No need for heavy boots unless you hike on rough terrain. 7. Let the kids have freedom, but consider safety and the environment, of course. Let the kids go off the beaten track and let them find sticks or flowers, for example. All this while you proceed to walk and expect them to keep up with you. Tip number 8. For small kids, think about some games during the hike, for example, a treasure hunt. 9. Some kids, and especially teens, need a goal for the hike you're doing. This can be anything from a place to swim or a great place for a picture on Instagram. Try to find their motivation. And 10. Think about how you will be transporting your baby or toddler. Will you be carrying them on your shoulders, on a minimize, in a child carrying backpack, or in an all-terrain stroller? Find out what suits your family the best. Okay, I hope these tips inspired you to go hike and explore nature with your kids. If so, give this video a thumbs up. This channel has weekly content on traveling with kids. If that's something for you, please subscribe. Bye!